Ready to ditch the command line and supercharge your coding workflow? First, make sure you have Git installed and Vscode open with your project folder if you haven't already. Initialize a Git repository by clicking the Source Control tab, then select Initialize Repository. Made some changes? Great! Vscode automatically tracks them. Notice the changes listed in the Source Control tab. Hover over any change file and click the plus icon to stage your changes, meaning you are ready to save these changes in the next commit. Now, type a descriptive commit message in the provided box. This is crucial for tracking your project's history. Then, click Commit above to save your changes locally. Branching is easy. Click the branch name in the bottom left corner of Vscode. To create a new branch, give it a meaningful name, and hit Enter. This allows you to work on new features without affecting the main codebase. Time to push your changes to GitHub. Click the Sync Changes button in the bottom right corner. You might be prompted to log into your GitHub account the first time. Once pushed, Vscode conveniently gives you the option to create a pull request directly to your GitHub repository. To merge changes from a remote branch, first fetch the changes by clicking the three dots in the Source Control tab. Select Pull, Push, then Fetch. Finally, select Merge Branch to bring those changes into your current branch.